Being out in nature is really nice. The cool, crisp air in my face. A little brook here. Oh, I feel like at any moment Jason's gonna pop up. You know, they did say a boy drowned in the lake here. Counselors watching. The boy's mother saw it. So she made it a point to get her revenge. And then she went to kill one of the counselors. But her life was taken. But her boy didn't die through some mystical powers and shit. He rose to take revenge on anyone who came into his territory. Wonder if Jason's gonna get me. Real cool. It's a nice day here. Oh, nice night. Oh, crap, I scared myself. It's alone right now. You like camping? Camping's fun. It's like really late. Late. Okay, see ya. Bye.